northwestern Wisconsin until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Matamidi, or 11 miles northeast of St. Paul, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. Reported trees down across the West Metro. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stillwater and Bayport around 8:25 p.m. Hudson and North Hudson around 8:30 p.m. Somerset around 8:35 p.m. New Richmond around 8:45 p.m. Star Prairie around 8:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Otisville, Grant, Lake St. Croix Beach, Willamette, Lakeland Shores, Boardman, Huntington, William O'Brien State Park, Willow River State Park, and St. Mary's Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
For your Saturday, partly cloudy.